Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the oil in the M32 manual 6-speed gearbox, so stay tuned. First of all, you need to drive the car for about 20-30 minutes so the oil is warm. So first of all, we have to remove the negative pole of the battery. Then the positive, then we can remove if you have the protective cover, and then we have to remove the battery as well. For removing the battery, we have to undo a 13mm bolt on the side of the battery that hold the battery down. You don't need to remove all the way, just lose a little bit, then just pull up the battery. Just like so. Now we have to remove 3 13mm bolts. There are these two, and one is hiding at the back under the cables. This one here is a little bit tricky because there's not enough room. And then we have to remove all the clips and everything attached to the plastic holder, battery holder. Now we can remove the tray. And then we have access to the bolt, this one here. Before anything, we have to try to open this one. If you cannot open this one, there's no point to do all the other job. And then we can go to remove the tire. Lose the bolts. Once loosened, we can lift up the car. Now remove the jack if you have a stand. Then remove the bolts from the tire, from the wheel, sorry. Now we can remove the wheel. And here we can see the level point. We can check the level from here, but we don't need to do because I already know how much we should put inside. And this one is the draining bolt. Place a container underneath and remove the draining bolt. After a few minutes, tighten the draining bolt. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you, but I actually tied with the key. It's not just hand tighten. Then after tightening the draining bolt, tight all the screw that hold the under tray. And then refit the wheel. Remove the stand and then tie the wheel to the correct torque. Now we can add the new oil. In this gearbox we should put 2.7 liter of oil, because in total inside the gearbox there should be around 3 liter of oil, and when we drain the oil, the old oil from the gearbox is not coming all the oil out. There is still remaining inside about 0.3 liter of oil inside the gearbox. That's why we have to add 2.7 liter of new oil inside. As you can see, there's 300 milliliter remaining, so I just top up around 2.7 liter of oil, so that should be enough. Now close the bolt. I should have about 2.5 liters of oil, used oil, but I only have 1 liter and something. As you can see here, I only have 1 liter and 7, and that's strange. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you didn't. Thank you. See you later.